Hey everyone, it's Emily and this is Emmylou Arts, and today I'm actually going to finish up some of the journaling that you guys just saw because I saw something this morning that really struck me and I wanted to journal it. So I really thought twice about recording this journaling session since you guys just watched me journal and I don't want you to get tired of it. But I figured I just hit record, and if it turned out and I thought some of you might be inspired or like it, then I would put it up. So that's what I'm doing. You saw me do these little boxes yesterday. And then I got these little stickers, and they actually came when I ordered the cat sticker flakes that I showed you a couple videos back. I ordered these at the same time. They were like a little pig one. And then they came with the cat one. I don't remember ordering the cat one, but they're both super cute. I just hadn't opened them yet because, well, you know how many stickers I have. So the little pig one, I think these are French because the packaging said like,
Bonjour, Coach Kuchan.
or something like that. Is that a pig? That's French, right? Whatever. So yeah, they had some really cute little birthday themed stickers in there. So I am, there we go. I'm giving you the close up. Cochon. Cochon. Is that pig in French? I don't know. Maybe not. But they're super cute. I love the little pig. He's really cute. I'll link them on the Amazon, if I can find where I had got them from. But yeah, you know, any kind of animal doing human things sort of stickers, it's right up my alley. In the cart it goes. And they're really not expensive, so I mean, in the scheme of things, they probably, you know, when you add up everything that I've spent on them, yeah, it probably is not cheap. But they bring me so much joy. And then I have my Journal Studio sticker pack, and I'm just sticking stickers in from a bunch of different places in this other page, because I was on Facebook that morning, just scrolling through trying to find the address of the birthday party that I had to take my daughter to. And I saw an ad for a piece of artwork that somebody had made, and it was a really pretty picture of a tree, and then it had a quote from a Ben Folds song, and it was like I was instantly transported back to the early 2000s, like when I was a freshman in college. I loved that song, The Luckiest by Ben Folds. So I immediately thought this has to go in my journal, because I remember sitting in my dorm room listening to that song, playing Snood. Yes, if any of you remember what I'm talking about, Snood and AOL Instant Messenger, then please leave me a comment so that I don't feel like a freaking dinosaur pterodactyl status with all of you youngins around. So I'm just journaling about that. And then I saw on YouTube Yoga by Adriene. I don't know if any of you know who she is. Probably, she's got a lot of followers, but she does yoga, obviously, and it struck me because I really want to get back into yoga. I used to go to a yoga place that did like hot vinyasa yoga, and I really loved it. And then they got too many people going there, and they didn't limit their class sizes, and it was so frustrating. I was having a really hard time finding my piece, which is like the whole point, right? I mean, somebody's mat would be touching me on every side, and I just felt like,
You need to not touch me right now.
so I thought maybe I can just do it in my basement where I'm happy and I'm alone. And for me, going to hot yoga was like, it was kind of like going to church. I just wanted to find my zen. And then somebody would come in yapping away about how their grocery order wasn't ready for pickup when they said it was going to be on the app. And I just wanted to be like,
Oh my God, Nancy.
so I'm hoping that this will be the answer to all my prayers. So we're going to try that in my basement. I'm going to blast the space heater at myself and light some candles and pretend like I'm in a hot yoga studio. I'll let you guys know how it goes. These letter stickers are from the Journal Studio crepe paper sticker set, and these were kind of wood. They look like wood, and so I put them in that box, and I put man time, because when I took Addie to the birthday party, Michael and Henry were still here, you know, for the afternoon, and so they were doing manly things. I don't know, playing Minecraft and Fortnite and eating Cheetos and I don't know, man things, cooking. And in my world, cooking is a man thing because I hate to do it. So now I'm going to work on the song lyric. I saw this little piece and I was like, oh my God, it's perfect. That little tree was so cute. And I wish I could put in the music from this song, but obviously that's a big no-no. So you just go to Apple Music or Spotify or whatever and search for The Luckiest by Ben Folds. If you are not from, you know, a kid of the 90s or actually a teenager of the 90s, then, you know, the sound of his voice will not bring back the memories that it does for me. But that whole like angsty 90s alternative rock vibe was just, I just love it. It's so many memories. So, yeah, I just loved the verse of this song in The Luckiest. So that's why I wanted to journal it. And I put a picture of my kids. And I think that that scrapbook paper is from, I'll have to link it below. It's the one that I got last summer at Hobby Lobby. Like paper craft or I can't remember, and I'm upstairs. But anyway, I loved it, and it had so many images that I thought were so cute. So I just lettered the music quote in pencil, and then I'm going over it with my Pigma Micron because I didn't want to you know, mess up the letters, and then it would just look stupid. So I just did it in pencil first. You really should go look up that song. It's so sweet, the words in it. And it's probably about not your kids, but I guess to me, I look at my whole family and I just feel like those lyrics are so, I don't know, I just like them. So those little kids make me feel like I am the luckiest. So that's what I had to journal about. And I really liked the artwork on the piece that I saw on the ad on Facebook. It was like a tree with some birds in it, and it was just so pretty. And so I was kind of inspired to actually give it a go, which you'll see that I actually try and draw something from not looking at something else, just like from my own brain, which is something that I am not familiar with. So I'm just erasing the little pencil marks, and beware if you use a thicker Pigma Micron on this paper and don't let it dry enough, it will smear when you erase. You just have to, if it's a thicker tip of the Micron, you really have to let it dry, because then you'll just ruin your day if you try and do that. And just knowing me, I did a tip in because I wanted more space to write the quote or the song lyric. And I love tip-ins. I'm just drawing a little tree trunk on the side of the page and then some like branches. Well, in my mind, they're branches. Just work with me here, people. I think actually in the end, it actually looks kind of cute, but just basically lines. And then I tried to put in some little leaves just at random. And then, what else do I do? Oh, continue adding leaves. See, the part is with me that when I am drawing something, but I'm not looking from a page or something, or a picture, I kind of stop before it's probably fully finished because I'm just afraid of ruining it. So there's probably a lot I could have done to make it look more complete, but I was just too scared to because I was actually, you know, semi-okay with how it ended up then. So I didn't want to ruin it. I got my brown mild liner and I just colored the trunk of the tree. And then I got out my Brights palette and I'm using that that olivey green that's in the top row all the way to the left. And I just love this green. I can't believe that I called it pond water. It's so pretty. It's like a really natural green. And then I am trying to add some grassy color like at the bottom. And then I put in some blue for sort of like sky. And I like it. I like how it turned out. And most of all, it just captured that that feeling that I hadn't thought about in so long, and that song, which I, have not thought about since, 2001 in my dorm room at the University of Iowa. So then I'm adding in my mild liner hearts, my fave thing, And in the end, I just really love it. It makes me happy and it brings back a happy memory, and my kids. So thank you guys so much for watching. I really appreciate it and all of your kind words. So thank you so much. I love reading all of your comments. You guys make me so happy. Real quick, guys, I almost forgot that today was the giveaway day. I looked at my planner this morning and I was like, oh my gosh, you almost forgot, you moron. So here, I'm back. And I figured how I was gonna do this. I'll show you every step of the way so that no one thinks that that I was trying to, I don't know, rig it or something stupid. I don't know. I don't know what all you people on the internet think. I try not to think about it. So anyway, this, this is for the Foxy Fix notebook that I unboxed and I'm going to send to one of you. So I went through, let's see, where am I going? YouTube. Oh, what is on here? Ew, is that glue? Well, I can tell my daughter's been down here. Awesome. Okay, so here's just the random YouTube homepage, and I'm gonna search Aimeio Arts. Well, that's not me. Aimeio Arts. It wants to make me someone I'm not. That's not me. Okay, there I am. Aimeio Arts. So, sorry about all the glare, guys. This is the most unprofessional way to do a drawing ever, right? Okay, so here's the giveaway video. I did this beforehand. I went down to the comments and I scrolled through the comments and I counted like how many comments there were, like by going by the little face dots. I didn't go by this number because that number counts in all of the comments, like my reply, it counts that as a comment, and that's not how it works. So I just went through and I counted all the original comments, and there was 105. This is as of 12:48 on Monday. There was 105. So, oh shit, where'd my mouse go? You guys, okay. So 105 comments with Rebecca Finkenbinder being number 1. So, and then I just scrolled through to the end. And then I figured what I'm gonna do is go to random.org. Isn't that a good website? Because I went to random number generator. And I could do it like this, but this random.org, a true random number service, has a thing where, true random number generator. I'll just enter it in here. I'm going to do my minimum number as 1 and my maximum as 105. And then I'm going to generate a number. And then we're going to start with the first comment and we're going to count down that many. And whoever's comment is that number, then they're the winner. That's how I'm going to do this. I think that's a pretty good random way to do that without me having to type all the names into a spreadsheet and all that garbage. So this is the best I can do, guys. So if we get to that person and it's somebody that didn't want to be entered in the drawing because some people just didn't want to be entered in for some reason, then I'll come back here and I'll pick another random number and we'll go through again. If you hear intermittent screaming, it's my children upstairs. Generate. So minimum 1, maximum 105. Here, I'm going to show you this while I quick generate so no one thinks I'm trying to be shady. 63. So let's go to this and we're going to count 63. So I'm going to count them as their little face passes by. Here, let me zoom in. I'm going to count them as their little face passes up. So let's do this out loud.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 30. Slow a minute. Come on. 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50, 51, 52, 53, 54, 55, 56, 57, 58, 59, 60, 61, 62.
63. Kelly Loughman. That's number 63. Kelly, you won. Woohoo! Yay, Kelly! Let me go through. I'm going to recount it one more time just to make sure that I didn't botch my counting. Sometimes my mouse sticks, so I didn't want to do that. Okay. I'll fast, if it's the same thing, I'll fast forward to it through it. 62, 63, Kelly Loughman. And let's just check again. Our random number was 63. So I'm so excited for you, Kelly, and I cannot tell you thank you enough for watching my videos. So if you're watching right now, and that's you right there, send me a message or reply to your comment and I will give you my email to contact me and I will send you your notebook. So you guys, this was awesome and I had so much fun. So thank you. Just thank you 1,012 times. I'm gonna write your name down and we will get in touch. Thank you, Kelly. Bye.